Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact Amazon customer service, direct link step by step clearly. Visit the Amazon website at www.amazon.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Locate the help section and click on it. Once on the help page, look for the customer service link. Click on customer service to access the support options. You will see a variety of topics listed for common issues. If your issue isn't listed, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Contact Us button. Choose the category that best fits your inquiry. Select the specific issue related to that category. You will then be presented with different contact methods. Choose to either call, chat, or email Amazon. If you prefer to call, note the phone number displayed. If you select chat, initiate the chat session with a representative. For email, enter your message in the provided form. Provide any necessary details regarding your issue. After submitting, wait for a response if you chose email. For calls, be prepared with your account details for verification. Keep your order information handy if related to your inquiry. Follow any further instructions given by the Amazon representative. Once your issue is resolved, you can end the call or chat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.